Hey everyone, you're probably like me who just spent a lot of money investing in the Uniden SDS100 digital scanner. Now, you probably noticed that this is kind of an awkward shaped scanner with a bulging battery pack in the back and the lower part of the scanner and a flimsy belt clip that you probably wouldn't trust to hold on to the scanner as you're going about your day. You probably have looked around for other scanner holsters. Now, I had a Uniden BCD 396 XT, and I used a nylon case that worked really well because it's a small, light scanner, and I wasn't really too worried about knocking it into things. But unfortunately, this SDS 100 is a bigger, bulky scanner, so you're probably like me looking for a way to protect your serious investment in digital scanning. You probably came across something like this, the Uniden SDS100 hard case, leather case, swivel belt clip from ScannerMaster. And you're probably wondering if this is a good buy. Well, I will tell you, it is pretty darn good based on what I read. So let's go through an unboxing of this case as I just got it in the mail not too long ago. Okay, so this came from ScannerMaster, and let's get into it. Alrighty, it came in a paper case and packing slip, $36.95 at the time of this recording, plus a $9.75 handling and shipping fee. Let's open this up. Piece of paper, and here is the leather case. Looks like it's just wrapped in plastic, and this model number is SCM 16015-3AS, and it says case in the description. All right, so looks like it's just plastic, and that's it. All right, so here's the leather case holster. It's actually got rigidity and shape to it. Plenty of holes on the side for ventilation. As you know, when you run this scanner, it tends to run warm. So it looks like there's a lot of space on both sides for air to circulate through the scanner as you're charging the battery, etc. It also comes with these. Now, these you may be able to tell from the reflection. There's plastic covering over the display areas and also the keypad area of the scanner as you put this in. Let's go around the outside here. This is how you hold on to the scanner into the case. This is a nylon stretchable thing that goes around the antenna. I'll show you in a second. And here is the belt clip. Now, this is actually pretty darn strong, pretty darn sturdy, this clip right here. And this case will not come out this way without you rotating it 180 degrees, and then it will come out. But if you try to pull it out like this, it will not come out. So that way your scanner is never going to accidentally fall out of here, and they use a special holder or a special knob like this on this side of the case. So it can only go in one way, and it can only come out one way. So I really like that feature. Now, the bottom of the case has a hole, so if you have any difficulties getting the radio out of the case, I guess you can press into this hole. All metal rivets. Looks like it's very well made. The back side of this thing right here says caseguys.net. I don't know if you can see that, but caseguys.net is what is written on the back. Also, the clip, it also says caseguys.net. So maybe ScannerMaster subcontracted caseguys.net and had to make this. And this is the the receptacle side of the clip. And it says AW Enterprises Inc., patent number 5839173. So that's what it looks like. All right, let's put this back onto the clip, and let's put the scanner into the pouch. And wow, the fit is perfect. I barely have to put in any resistance to put the scanner into the case. to take it out, I guess you use the hole on the bottom to push in, and then it comes right out. So it goes in really easily and snugly all the way into the case. Now, this right here is how you secure the radio into the case. You can remove it like that, loop the nylon cord over the antenna, stretch it under the back here, and clip in. And now it will not fall out. So this is what it looks like when it's inside the case. It is not going to ever fall out of here unless you turn it 180 degrees, lift it out, and then it'll come out of this holder. I really like this. It holds the radio like it's 100% hold. Plenty of room up here for air to ventilate. In here, out of here, in here, out of here, or in here, out to the sides. You still have access to the function and menu buttons on the side, as they're cutouts on the case. And you also have the USB 1 and USB 2 covers, and then you can easily access. I guess you have to press in the leather a little bit and then reach in, and you have access to the USB connections. And here it is. You have access to the panel right here, and you can easily read the display. So there you go. A quick unboxing and review of the SDS100 Uniden hard leather case swivel belt clip case for $36.95. I hope this helps somebody, and I like it. It's nice and sturdy, and it's got speaker cutouts so you can really hear the radio. I don't have it on. I don't have it blasting right now because I don't want to interfere with this video. So anyway, I think it's a winner. And for a large radio like this that is hard to protect, if you don't have a case, I think this is the way to go. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, feel free to click the thumbs up, like button, and subscribe to the channel if you so desire. Take care.